What is going on, guys, and welcome back to part 3.2 of the cloud storage development series. Now, first I just want to say that I'm a bit sick, actually quite a bit, and now after a quick nap I'm actually finally able to record this for you, so I'm sorry if my voice sounds a bit odd. Okay, so let's get started. First, select your, or just start up your virtual machine. And we're gonna wait for that to load. There we go. I'll actually close Google Chrome. Okay, there we go. We're gonna go to full screen. Okay, so we have everything open just like last time. And today we're actually just going to install a couple of things that I forgot to do in the previous part, sorry. So first, I'm gonna do the easiest one. So let's go to our project, cloud storage, there we go, and open up webpack.mix in Sublime, there we go. And remember, last time we added a line to this file, now it's gone, because we changed our preset, if you remember. That was the last thing we did last time. So we'll just add that back. Disable success notifications, there we go, save it, bam, awesome. And for this to take effect we need to restart our npm run watch, there we go, awesome. Now next we'll install Sublime Babel syntax highlighter. So we're gonna go up to let's see, tools, install package control. And there we go, package control was successfully installed. Click on OK, go back up to preferences, click on package control, and just type install package. There we go, press enter, give it some time to load. There we go, search for Babel, there we go, first one, enter. This will take a bit to install. There we go, we are done. You can see it in the bottom left, well not anymore, but you could earlier. So we're done with that, and actually let's go here to our project, resources, assets, JS, come and just open up one JavaScript file in here and go to view, syntax, open all with current extension as, look for Babel and JavaScript Babel. There we go, awesome. So we got that done. This will just make sure our code looks, well, is highlighted nicely and correct, because the default one does not like JSX, and we're going to be using a lot of it, so we had to do that. Now we have to install MySQL. If you remember in the last part, if we go here and go into the environment configuration. Okay, so if you remember last time, here in the environment configuration we set up a database name, which was cloud storage, a database username, which was again cloud storage, and a database password, which was a randomly generated string. So now we're actually going to create this database and set up a user and a password. So how are we going to do this? Well, let's open up a terminal and let's do this, whatever, doesn't matter where you are on the file system. So just type sudo apt-get install mysql-server, and the client should be installed automatically. Give it, enter the password, yep, install. And let's see which version. Oh, we're getting 5.7, perfect. So we don't even have to look for a newer version, because we need at least version 5.7 in case we need some new features which older versions don't have. One of them that I actually like quite a bit is the JSON field. So you can actually store JSON in databases now, which is great. Okay, so it's gonna ask you for a root password. You can just set up any password. Just don't forget it, because it's very important. Oops. Bam. Let it finish. Okay, we're done. So now we're just gonna say MySQL underscore secure underscore installation. Run this. Enter your password that you just created. Validate password. We're gonna say no because we don't really need it. It's just a development setup, so we don't care about that. Change the password for the root. Nope, we did that already. Remove anonymous users. Yes, we want to remove that for the server to be secure. Disallow root login remotely. Yes, we don't want anyone else to connect to our database except from our local system. And yeah, we want to remove the test database because we're not going to need it. And yep, reload privileges. There we go, all done. Awesome. We can clear, and now if we go MySQL -u root, so we're gonna log in to our server with the username root, and P means ask me for the password. Press enter. It will ask you for your password. Remember, this is the password you just set up when that window popped up. There we go. Awesome. We are logged into our MySQL server, and we can do, for example, show databases. These are the default databases. These are just some of them that MySQL uses. And now we can just create database. We're gonna create our own database. As you can see here, DB database. That's cloud underscore storage. Sorry. So I'm gonna say cloud storage. Bam. Enter. There we go. Query. Okay. And now we just want to create the user, so we will say grant all privileges to, and we'll say in single, grant all privileges on cloud underscore storage. So we're gonna give the user full access on all tables in the cloud storage database. So here, cloud storage, this is the database name, and .star, the star means everything, so all tables in that database. And we're going to be granting all privileges to the user. So grant all privileges on cloud to, and in single quotes, we need the username, so same, at, and then again in single quotes, localhost. So this will just ensure we can only connect as this user from our local computer. This basically prevents any attacker to just connect to your database. Or at least it makes it a lot harder. And identified. Oh shit! I'm sorry, I can't type. Identified by, and give it single quotes again, and end it with a semicolon. And just paste the password in here, paste, and press enter. Awesome. Query OK. So we have our database set up. We can just type exit and exit. There we go. Awesome. And now we just need to do one last thing. See how if we double click on a file in here, it will open up in gedit, but we want it to open up with Sublime text by default. So okay, so here's how we'll do this. First, make sure you close all applications that are running, because we'll need to restart the virtual machine in a bit. And then just open up a terminal, let it load. There we go. And we'll edit a certain file, so sudo sublime/usr share applications defaults.list. There we go. Enter your password, and here we go. Okay, now we need to go up here to find, select replace, and we'll just find gedit and replace it with sublime underscore text. Just do replace all. There we go. Save it, close it, and let's reboot our computer or virtual machine. Okay, so Ubuntu just started back up. We can just log in, and now once this loads up, okay, and now if we try to open one of our project files, for example webpack.mix.js, it opens up in Sublime, which is exactly what we want. So now we'll just go back here and set up our environment again. So we'll change our directory, do npm run watch, open up another one, php artisan serve. I will start a server and we can open Firefox again, and that should be it. Okay, so that's it for part 3.2. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, press that like button. If you didn't, let me know in the comments down below what you did or didn't like. Please subscribe, I would really appreciate that, and share this video with your friends. And I'll see you in the next one.